Hi everybody, so for today's look I am starting with the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation, and I'm just using my Real Techniques Beauty Blender to blend that into her face. I'm working with the beautiful Jordan Dillard today. She so kindly volunteered to be my model. I'm telling you, I have the best friends. Now I am using the Tarte. Why do I always say that? Right now I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm just using that for her under eyes and any little like spots of redness that we want to diminish. Now I'm going in with Laura Mercier's translucent powder, and I'm just using that to set her under eyes. Now I'm going with the color Flower Child from the Tartelette in Bloom palette, and I'm just putting that right into her crease as a nice transition shade. Now I forgot to show it on the video, I'm the worst, but I'm going in with that dark green shade, and I'm just putting that right under her crease, and I'm filling in the lid a little bit, but as you see, I'm not going in with full pigment. I'm just doing a very light kind of coated look. And now I'm going in with the shimmer shade, and I'm using my finger so that the pigment remains intact, and it's still that it's shinier when I put it on her eyelid. And I'm just putting that light green, blue, aqua, whatever you want to call it, teal, I don't know. I'm putting that all over her lid. I'm now going back into that dark blue, and I'm going in to the corners of the eyes. So right now I'm doing the outer corner, but later I'm going to do the inner corner. Oh, there it is. And that's just to deepen the look and give the look more dimension. You see the difference between the right and the left. Now we do it to the left. And I'm cleaning up any fallout that might have fallen from that dark blue shade. Blue, green, I don't know. It was a little bit of fallout, but nothing too unbearable. And the color is so pretty, it's just worth it. Now I'm going back with my blending brush, and I'm just blending that all out to make sure there are no harsh lines. And I'm going in, I went back a little bit with Flower Child. Now I'm using that dark green shade that we used on the top, but I'm just doing that on her lower lash line. Now I'm using the Kat Von D tattoo liner in the shade Trooper, and I don't know what happened to the video of me putting eyeliner and mascara on her, but it disappeared. So I just put the regular winged eyeliner and I put mascara on her eyelashes. I used the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise, and then for the bronzer I used the NYX Contour Highlight and Pro Palette, and now I'm using the Tarte Amazonian Clay in the shade Party. Now I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Medium Brown, I believe. That was like a mouthful. It was like one after the other, one after the other. It's a quick video. I'm just filling in her brows, any little gaps that I might see. Now I'm going in with Buxom's Hot Toddy Gloss, and I'm just putting that on her lips. I chose to go with a pretty like pinky nude for her lips since her eyes are so beautiful, and I just really wanted to highlight her eyes. She has beautiful green eyes, and I didn't want anything to pull away from that. Now I'm going in with the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek in the shade Spoon, and I'm doing her inner corners, a little bit on her nose, her cheekbones, and that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will post all the photo shoot pictures on our Instagram, so be sure to check that out. If you like this video, please subscribe. Bye!